In this video I will show you how to create this kind of moving logo animation using Elementor without any pro plugin. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Elementor page and click on edit with Elementor. Then you can see Elementor backend like this. So now let add a container. So I'm just clicking this plus icon and flex box, and I'm choosing the first one, and then I'm going to add a background color. Just click on this 6 dot and click on style, and background type, this should be classic, and color should be this one. Now I'm going to add a height. So we can do using two different things. One is using this minimum height, or another is adding a padding. So in that case I'm going to add a height over there. I'm just putting the 500, then click on plus. Let me add a heading over there. I'm going to put a title. Let's make it center. Color should be white, and font size should be 18 pixel. Let's make this container to the middle so that it will align to the middle. Now let's add a image carousel. Now upload the images. So these are the images I'm going to use. After adding the image, just click on create a new gallery, then insert gallery. So this will be look like this. Now let's change the settings. Image resolution will be full. Slide to show should be 5. Slide to scroll should be 1. Navigation should be none, so that it will remove. Now go back to advanced. Autoplay should be 0, and animation speed should be 5000, so that it will move slowly. Now as you can see, it's after slide it's stopping. Now I want to make this animation smoothly. Before that, let me arrange this image. So I'm going to add a custom spacing between the images so that it will look more professional. Okay, so now to achieve this seamless animation, we have to add a HTML widget. And we need to paste a code over there. So this is the code. I will put this code in the video description. Now as you can see, I added a class. So I need to make this class in the widget so that it will work perfectly. Just copy that class name and then click on that image carousel and then advanced, and then put this class ID over there. After putting the class, just click on publish, then view the page. As you can see, the logos are moving smoothly. So like that you can easily create this kind of moving logo animation. So I hope you like the video.